supposed to be that strong.
Are you seriously attempting this?
No.
Yeah. Ready?
Shake it. It's like alive. How is it that loose?
This is the separation.
This is right here.
Oh, that's why.
One down
Andrew
here.
was pulling on the wrong side.
Oh.
We're gonna have to probably lean it.
Lean it out the window.
We've got it before. Yeah.
Twist. Twist.
Yeah, maybe
Here,
that's-
twist. Yeah, you got it.
Okay, well, let's do that.
But that's me. I know all about twist.
Okay.
Ah! I was right.
Go, 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 go.
We got this.
I get the lights.
Look at that power clean stance.
Now, the good thing about this is we can rotate this and do the lights. Come on. So, stay there, Andrew.
Hey, Katie, how's the dishes coming along?
Good.
As good as the video.
Hey, we can pretty much have that be the tree. Like if I
That
wanted.
is what the tree typically is.
But then we add the big the big booty.
We could just set up this.
Just add the big booty.
Nobody would know the difference if you did.
Seriously, it's just a booty.
It was like so.
Oh.
Oh, it's off. It's off the wood.
Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh dear.
Oh, everybody panic.
Ah, it's off the wood! Off the wood! Call it a day!
Andrew, lift this up. Put this, Andrew.
Still off the wood.
Put that underneath the bottom cap, okay?
That's my coffin.
I got it.
Okay.
Over here,
Much
this is the wood.
skinnier
Okay.
than that thing.
Hey, that's perfect
Here,
size.
I'll hold it on.
No, don't worry about it now, Drew. Come on up.
Spinning. No, we can't spin it.
If it falls off, that's okay. It's on the black thing. It won't put a hole in the carbide. Whatever. This one is okay.
This is gonna be a video that goes down in Ropp history.
Bam.
How to disassemble the tree of Christmas.
Tree Disemblers assemble!
Oh, I got this. I got this. This is how I can just screw up. Disconnect.
The tree of Christmas. There is such thing as Easter trees. How do you think they get
Yeah,
eggs?
just gonna roll them up now. Where's the wood?
Don't worry about it, Andrew. Let's get these off first, Goober.
That's not funny, Andrew.
No, I need the wood over there.
Okay.
Look at that work. Look at him go. Pinch it.